Okay, students, we're going to start with page 63 today in our notes, mean absolute deviation, or MAD as we call it. Okay? Make sure to get your notes outlined before we get started today. Now, a mean of absolute deviation is a measure of variability, or spread is a single number that is used to describe the set of data. One measure of variability is the mean absolute deviation, or MAD. The MAD is the mean of the distances between the data values and the mean of the data set. Okay? Now, first, step one, we have to find the mean of the data set. So what you do is you add all these numbers up and you divide by the total amount of numbers, okay, which in this case there's 10 of them. So we're going to add these up. You may use a calculator and practice this with me. You can put a parentheses around that if you add all those in the calculator together and then divide by 10. And what that equals is 83. Okay? Step 2. Find the distance each number is away from the mean that you calculated in step 1. So what we do here is I do 95 minus 83, and I get 12. I do 90 minus 83, and I get 7. 83 minus 13, 83 minus 70 is 13. Said that wrong, didn't I? And then 83 minus 100, or 100 minus 83, because we just do distance, which is positive, so that's 17. 83 minus 65 is 18. 83 minus 85 is negative 2, but remember we did positives because it's distance, so it's 2. Then the distance between 83 and 80 is 3. Between 83 and 95 is 12. Between 83 and 100 is 17. And then between 50 and 83 is 33. Okay, so on this part, now we add all these bottom numbers up together and we find the mean of this set of numbers. So if you do that at this time, that refers to the next step. Find the mean of the distances. Find the mean of the distances that you calculated in step 2. And when you add all these up, and then you divide by 10 again, because there's 10 of them, you get 13.4. And that's your MAD, mean of absolute deviation.